Nice. I went through about 3 minutes of my video and realized I wasn't recording. This here is my 1984 K5 Blazer. If you guys watch my channel, it's known as my Minion. I got quite a few little minions. It's getting ready to go through a change here someday, but let's talk about what's going on. My temperature down there, it's overheating. In like 3 minutes yesterday, I fired it up and it got up to almost 210 pretty quick. And so what I'm going to do is get it fired up. I have a new water pump for it. I've already replaced the thermostat, radiator, and put a fan shroud on it. But there's my 88 K5 Blazer that's getting ready to get some motor work done to it. And there is my wife's 73 Blazer that we're getting a windshield put in here pretty soon. But what's going to go on here is I'm going to replace the water pump. If it's fixed, we're good. It's on the road. It's inspected. Actually, let's see. Yeah, June. It's good till June. So if everything's good, then we're going to... I'm doing the water pump now, so I didn't even think if this was going to work right. So if the motor's bad, I'm taking the transmission transfer out to put in that little fella right there. I have a little 305 stored in the engine stand over there. I'm going to put that in and throw that and get that going. I don't want to cut any corners here on my Blazer. So if the motor's bad, if I overheated it too much and it's anything more than the water pump, I'm going to put her down for the summer and work on what I'm going to do later. Probably just going to put another used 454 in it. I was going to put an LS in that one, but the donor truck, I just checked it yesterday and the motor is seized. So I'm going to have to get it out and get a lot of work done. I thought of actually pulling the throttle body motor out of that because that thing fires up. Don't even hit one rotation and she's running. So, but that has a bad 700 R4. I might learn how to try to rebuild that one. Anyway, I'm going to fire this one up. Shaking. I think it's missing a little bit. This thing is a lot of work to drive. You gotta feather the gas, you gotta temperature yet, so that's good, but I'm gonna have to cut that tree limb down. Temperature's creeping up right now. And she's creeping up fast. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the water pump, and I'll let you guys know what we end up finding out.